I'm Tawan Malapane from South Africa in Limpopo, currently situated in Pretoria in Gauteng province. I did my BSc in Mathematical Science at University of Limpopo, also known as University of the North, where I majored with applied maths and pure mathematics. And after I did my BSc honors in applied mathematics in the same university, and after my BSc honors I went to AIMS in Cape Town, which is an African Institute for Mathematical Science, where I did my masters in mathematical science. Currently a part-time lecturer at Tshwane University of Technology. We use mathematics in our daily lives, unaware. For example, construction field. A lot of calculations are done in the construction field. Preparing budgets needs calculations, which is mathematics. Taking measurements, estimating the cost of the building or whatever that is constructed. Let's say, firstly, the structure of the building should be drawn and the measurements are needed in that structure. Let's say the whole is the flat. Maths, when you draw the plan, the math is involved. Angles, all these things. And after that, you have to find how long it's going to be taken to build the whole building. And after that, you have to also find how much material is needed to build, and you can't do that without including numbers. Mathematics can also be used in making our budget, and we are not aware that we are using mathematics to make our budget. We are just using a simple mathematical concept when we are doing our budgets. Let's say you want to buy a car or you want to buy a house. You have to save, and in order to save, you also have to know how much and how long you have to save in order to get that thing you are saving for. And if you are including things like how many, how long, how much, those things are just numbers, and numbers is mathematics. Mathematics can be used in a driving. Speed and time and distance are involved. Let's say you want to know how much would be the speed to be covered in order to move from point A to B. You have to know time and a distance. Then you'll have to find a speed. And to do that, you have to do calculations. And how much time would I need to move from point A to point B? And those things, you will need also a speed and distance in order to find time. And we are just using those things unaware, but there are a lot of mathematics involved. Mathematics is not difficult, it's just challenging, requires time, and it's not so difficult. You just have to have a focus and everything will be fine. And it just not, you don't have to be this gender or the other gender or this one. Mathematics allows accommodate everyone. You can be a male or a female and be successful in this field. It does not require one gender or any race. All people are required, and if no one has made it around you, don't think that you cannot make it in mathematics. You don't have to rely, or I can just say you don't have to be to think that if others around you didn't make it, you won't make it. No, you can be the one that can show them that mathematics is doable, since they might say the mathematics is not doable, and you'll have that thought that mathematics is not doable. Yes, that's another thought, but I don't think. You just have to have a focus, then you'll see that mathematics is not difficult. And remember, if you're saying that you are not studying mathematics, no, mathematics will always be onto you. It's like it will always follow you everywhere you go, because everything you do rely on mathematics. So mathematics